Today we'll talk about the symptoms, transmission, and treatment of this infection. Domestic pigeons are prone to infection by Ameria species Coccidia. These parasites infect the pigeon's bowel, causing damage to the organ, interfering with digestive efficiency, and leading to a loss of blood and vital nutrients. During the racing season, the first indication of a coccidia flare-up will often be a significant loss in form and racing performance. The birds may also develop loose droppings or diarrhea, lose luster, and in more severe cases, suffer a loss of weight. A coccidia infection can also exacerbate the damage caused by poor management, high stress levels, or other infections including worms or different parasites. Coccidiosis is a contagious disease. It is spread from pigeon to pigeon through infected droppings. Coccidia reproduction is actually quite complicated, but the basic explanation is that the coccidia organisms produce eggs in the pigeon's bowel, and these eggs are passed through the droppings, which can then contaminate the food or water and be picked up by another pigeon. Because of this, cleanliness is obviously the first line of defense against coccidia. Like I said, the coccidia reproductive system is quite complicated. The eggs are not actually infectious until a few days after they've been passed by the original pigeon. This means that if the loft is cleaned regularly, the eggs can never be swallowed by another pigeon and the cycle is quickly broken. It is especially important to ensure that the drinkers and feed trays are regularly and thoroughly cleaned, ideally daily. Coccidia are more easily transmitted in wet and humid environments, so it is important to keep the pigeon loft dry. Any wetness can lead to increased illness in pigeons, including coccidiosis. There is some evidence that slightly acidifying the drinking water on wet days can help prevent the transmission of coccidia. Please feel free to see the video Acids